Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing my cleaning caddy with you and how I have it organized. Now, I would just like to preface this by saying that this was not my idea. I found it from a girl on TikTok, and I apologize because I do not remember her name or her handle on there, but I'm just stating for the record that this was not my idea. So, this is one of those buckets from Lowe's. This also would work with one of those, giant buckets from Home Depot. It's just, I don't know. I was at Lowe's at the time and it was just easier for me to grab one while I was there. And I have this caddy on here. This is from Amazon and I don't think you can really read that, but it says Original Bucket Boss brand. And I think that says, I don't know what that says, Pluto Boss, but it's Bucket Boss. And again, this is from Amazon. Very well made, very sturdy. And as you can see, it does kind of go around the top portion of the bucket, which is really cool. Now, this is actually meant for like cleaning cars and detailing cars, which is pretty amazing in my opinion. So I purchased this because I wanted something that was larger that could actually hold all of my cleaning stuff. So it has these pockets that are mesh, and it's kind of like the sort of mesh that you would see on like shower caddy material. If you guys ever had one of those, or like if you were in college, what have you, it's sort of like that sort of rubberized material. But right here in this first pocket, I have an all-purpose spray, which this actually is just the yellow version of Windex. So it's antibacterial. And then right here, I have these small trash bags. I really like to use these instead of plastic bags because I actually reuse the plastic bags to clean my cat's litter box. That might be TMI, but I just think that they look nicer. And then over here, I have some Endust, which this stuff is amazing if you haven't tried it. And I have some Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the Acorn Spice scent, which is my favorite. And then right here, I have some glass cleaner. It's not my favorite. I'm just trying to really like work through it. And then I have some like detailing brushes. So these two are by OXO. And I think I got them at Target like many, many years ago. But they also have them at Bed Bath & Beyond and probably a few other places. I also keep like old toothbrushes in here just because you never know what you're going to need this stuff for. And then I have a Scrub Daddy that is specifically for, my cleaning caddy. And I also have this little cup thing. I think it was actually meant for my old, what was it? It was like an old steam cleaner. And I think I mistakenly kept it, but I use that to kind of like rinse out, different things. Or if I have to like clean my shower, I'll kind of use that to help me, spray water in areas that I can't really get to. So it does have one of these rings right here, which you can use to like hang a rag off of. I don't really like to use it for that purpose. So what I do is I keep all of my clean towels in the center. Now you could totally like keep your dirty ones in here. I just do that because generally as I'm going through my house and I'm cleaning, I'm tossing all of my dirty stuff, like all the dirty towels, into a separate pile. I don't like to mix them, obviously. And I prefer to just keep the clean ones in here because I think it's easier. Not only that, but once I wash them and they come out of the dryer, it's so much easier to just throw them in here. You don't have to worry about folding them or what have you. And then it is pretty large, so I guess if you wanted to, you could fill this center part with more cleaning products. But it's Again, kind of large, but you can just take it with you wherever. And I've been using this for a couple of months now, and I've really been enjoying it. So highly, highly recommend if you're in the market for a new cleaning caddy and you're willing to try some different stuff. Because again, I've had a bunch of cleaning caddies over the years, and I just haven't really been able to enjoy them or make them work. And I think part of enjoying cleaning or organizing, whichever one you're more into, is being able to enjoy what helps you to get the results that you want, if that makes sense. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, this is a Bucket Boss. I'm going to try to link this below for you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.